Welcome back to Omni Eyes. Today we dive deep into the majestic ocean to uncover the ultimate mystery of navigation. Imagine swimming across an endless blue void without any familiar landmarks to guide your way through the dark, freezing waters. For millions of years, sea turtles have mastered this impossible task effortlessly, traveling thousands of kilometers across the vast oceans. These ancient mariners possess a biological compass so incredibly advanced that it rivals our most sophisticated modern global positioning systems. When a tiny hatchling first touches the ocean waves, it immediately knows exactly where to go, without any prior training. Their journey begins under the cover of darkness as they frantically paddle away from the dangerous shores towards open waters. Out in the deep ocean, there are no trees, no mountains, and no underwater signs to point them toward home. Yet they never lose their way in the boundless marine wilderness, navigating with absolute precision through massive shifting ocean currents. Scientists have long been baffled by this extraordinary ability, wondering how these reptiles maintain such perfect orientation during long migrations. The secret lies hidden deep within their eyes, revealing an evolutionary masterpiece, finely tuned to the invisible forces of nature. To understand this miracle, we must first look upwards at the sky above the ocean surface where the magic happens. Sunlight travels through the vast vacuum of space as scattered electromagnetic waves, bouncing randomly in absolutely every single possible direction. However, when these chaotic light waves finally enter our Earth atmosphere, something truly fascinating and scientifically beautiful begins to occur. The light particles collide with air molecules, causing them to scatter and align into perfectly structured, invisible, linear geometric patterns. This remarkable phenomenon is known as polarized light, a hidden layer of visual information completely invisible to the human eye. When this polarized sunlight strikes the reflective surface of the ocean, it creates a highly organized grid of directional light. We cannot see these organized bands of light, but for the sea turtle, they form a clear map of reality. Their eyes have evolved over countless millennia into highly specialized optical instruments, designed specifically to decode this hidden atmospheric puzzle. Let us take a microscopic journey inside the eye of a sea turtle to witness this biological marvel up close. Deep within the retina lies a complex network of photoreceptor cells that capture and process incoming light from the environment. Among these cells are unique cone structures that differ significantly from anything found inside the typical human visual processing system. These specialized cone cells are arranged in a brilliant radial pattern, forming a microscopic filter across the entire retinal surface. This specific radial geometry is the exact physical mechanism that allows the turtle to detect the angle of polarized light. As the turtle swims, it continuously scans the bright sky above the water, absorbing these invisible, polarized, geometric light patterns. The radial cones filter the incoming light waves, isolating the specific angles of polarization that dance across the ocean surface. This creates a spectacular visual map overlaying the sky, providing constant directional data regardless of their current geographic ocean position. Even on cloudy days, when the sun is entirely hidden, this polarized map remains boldly visible to their sensitive eyes. The atmospheric scattering of light ensures that the polarization patterns persist, allowing the turtle to navigate through extremely poor weather. But capturing the light is only the first half of this incredible biological equation that guides them across the globe. The raw visual data must be rapidly transmitted through the optic nerve directly into the brain for complex neural processing. Inside the brain, a specialized neural network decodes the polarization angles to calculate the exact relative position of the sun. By knowing exactly where the sun is, the turtle can instantly determine the precise location of the distant ocean horizon. This internal processing happens in mere milliseconds, providing real-time navigation updates as they glide through the endless blue water. It is essentially a living, breathing global positioning system, powered entirely by sunlight and intricate evolutionary neurological cellular design structures. Imagine seeing the sky not just as blue, but as a dynamic compass rose painted with vibrant lines of light. This polarized vision allows them to maintain a perfectly straight swimming trajectory over hundreds of miles without drifting off course. Even when powerful ocean currents push them sideways, their internal compass detects the deviation and instantly corrects their swimming angle. They constantly adjust their flipper movements to realign with the invisible polarized grid, ensuring they stay on the correct path. This relentless dedication to their heading is crucial for reaching their distant feeding grounds and ancestral nesting beaches every year. A female turtle might travel thousands of miles, only to return to the exact same beach where she was born. This phenomenal homing ability relies heavily on their mastery of polarized light, combined with Earth magnetic field detection sensory systems. While magnetic fields give them a general sense of latitude, the polarized light provides the crucial daily fine-tuning compass. Together, these dual navigation systems make the sea turtle one of the most capable long-distance travelers on our planet. Every morning as the sun rises over the ocean, the polarized map refreshes, giving the turtle a renewed directional heading. The angles of polarization shift gracefully as the sun moves across the sky from dawn until the late evening dusk. The turtle brain effortlessly compensates for this solar movement, constantly recalculating their position relative to the changing patterns of light. It is a continuous mathematical calculation performed entirely by instinct, without a single conscious thought interrupting their peaceful oceanic journey. As they dive deeper into the water, the intensity of the polarized light gradually fades into the dark marine abyss. Yet they only need to surface periodically to breathe and catch a quick glimpse of the polarized sky above them. A single glance is enough to recalibrate their internal compass and confirm they are still heading in the right direction. This incredible visual adaptation highlights the profound connection between living organisms and the subtle physical properties of our massive universe. Nature has engineered a solution so elegant that modern scientists are still studying it to improve our own navigation technologies. By understanding how turtles see polarized light, engineers hope to design better autonomous underwater vehicles that navigate without satellite signals. These robotic submarines could explore the deepest oceans, using the exact same principles that have guided turtles for ancient millennia. It is a beautiful example of biomimicry, where human innovation directly borrows from the proven genius of biological evolutionary design. However, this delicate navigation system is completely dependent on the natural clarity of the sky and the pure ocean waters. Artificial light pollution from coastal cities can severely disrupt their visual map, causing tragic disorientation for newly hatched baby turtles. When hatchlings mistake streetlights for the natural polarized glow of the ocean horizon, they crawl towards danger instead of safety. Protecting their natural habitat means preserving the pristine darkness of their nesting beaches, so their ancient compass can function properly. The survival of these magnificent creatures depends on our ability to respect the invisible environmental forces that guide their lives. Let us return to the open sea, where an adult turtle is currently embarking on a massive transoceanic migration journey. She glides silently through the water, her patterned shell reflecting the dappled sunlight that filters down from the bright surface. Above her, the sky is a brilliant canvas of invisible, polarized waves, constantly shifting and guiding her toward her destination. She encounters massive schools of glowing jellyfish, gently navigating around them without ever losing track of her ultimate directional heading. Predators lurk in the shadows, but her swift movements and unwavering purpose keep her moving safely through the dangerous territory. Days turn into weeks, and weeks turn into months as she crosses the vast expanse of the seemingly infinite ocean. Through raging tropical storms and calm, glassy waters, her internal celestial map remains perfectly accurate and incredibly reliable every day. She does not need to pause and ask for directions, because the sky itself is her eternal and faithful guide. The radial cones in her eyes never stop working, continuously filtering the light and sending critical data to her brain. This microscopic cellular process translates into macroscopic global movement, connecting the tiny structures of her eye to the entire planet. It is a perfect symphony of biology and physics, playing out silently beneath the crashing waves of the blue sea. As she finally approaches her destination, the familiar scents of her ancestral beach begin to mix with the ocean currents. Her polarized compass has successfully brought her within range of her coastal target, completing a journey of epic global proportions. She waits for the safety of nightfall before slowly emerging from the surf to lay her precious eggs in sand. These eggs hold the next generation of ocean navigators, who will soon inherit this incredible biological gift of polarized sight. When they hatch, they will look up at the same sky and read the same invisible map their ancestors used. The cycle of life continues, driven by the unyielding power of instinct and the hidden geometry of scattered atmospheric sunlight. The story of the sea turtle is a powerful reminder of how much we still have to learn from nature. What appears to us as empty sky is actually a rich tapestry of directional information for those equipped to see. Our human senses are incredibly limited, capturing only a tiny fraction of the vast electromagnetic spectrum surrounding us every day. By studying these remarkable animals, we expand our own understanding of reality and uncover the hidden dimensions of our world. The ocean is full of mysteries, but the secret of the sea turtle compass is definitely one of the greatest. It challenges our perception of intelligence, showing that complex problem solving can be hardwired directly into the fabric of biology. No computer code or artificial intelligence can yet match the flawless efficiency of this natural, organic, biological marine navigation system. As we watch this turtle disappear back into the deep blue, we are left with a profound sense of wonder. She is a living testament to the power of evolution, a creature perfectly adapted to her vast and challenging environment. Her journey is a silent poem, written across the oceans, guided by the invisible light of the distant burning sun. We must strive to protect these ancient mariners, ensuring that their oceanic pathways remain clear and free from human interference. Their survival enriches our planet and keeps the delicate balance of marine ecosystems completely intact for future generations to cherish. The next time you look out at the ocean, remember the invisible map that stretches across the bright open sky. Remember the incredible sea turtles navigating the deep, relying on the subtle physics of light to find their way home. Nature is the ultimate engineer, crafting solutions that are as beautiful as they are functional in the grand cosmic design. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the fascinating biology of marine navigation and hidden polarized light. We hope this journey has opened your eyes to the unseen wonders that constantly surround us in the natural world. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop questioning the mysteries of the vast universe that we all share together. Today, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another exciting episode of our documentary series. Until next time, this is Omni Eyes, signing off. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with discovery and endless exploration.